All right, you ready?
I'm ready whenever you are.
All right, so all you have to do is put that needle in there without it bursting.
All right. All right, let's see. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
Oh my God.
There you
Perfect.
go. A little bit of air to it.
That is cool.
And there we go.
Nice.
All right.
Thanks, Doc.
No.
Oh, wait, you got to go in the corner there. All right, well, you're up. You've got one task. Don't burst the balloon and you've... Oh! Oh my God.
You really thought I was going to do it?
William, no. Okay. What? You got it in there?
Yeah.
Nice. Perfect. Thank you. All right, Angie. The goal is... Oh, what? Look, you're like ready to go. The goal is to puncture the balloon without popping it.
Okay.
All right?
Let's see.
What?
Ah!
Of course.
All right, Mel. So the goal is to puncture the balloon without popping it.
Okay.
All right. Oh, nice. Perfect. Take two, Angie, when you're ready. Oh,
Ooh.
nice. There you go.
Ready? Ready, set, go.
Do you have my phone?
Ah!